About SAP FICO training. SAP Financial Accounting Controlling. SAP FICO is the finance and cost controlling module in SAP ERP where FI remains for financial accounting, and CO remains for controlling. SAP FICO module is exceptionally vigorous and covers all business procedure experienced in different ventures. It is one of the imperative and broadly executed modules in SAP. This free course is intended for novices and besides for middle-of-the-road students. SAP FICO, SAP FI, Financials, screens organization financials while CO, controlling, conveys cost bookkeeping. SAP FI is utilized to store the financial information of an association and furthermore investigates the money-related states of an organization in the market, though SAP CO bolsters coordination, observing, and enhancement of all the procedure in the association. Our preparation program concentrates on center bookkeeping and announcing ideas like money-related controlling, credit control, keep up fiscal year variation and duty code, dole out the organization code to a diagram of records and so on. Course Overview. SAP FI is a module utilized for announcing both remotely and inside. The goal is to record only money-related exchange that is posted by an element and create monetary explanations which are precise toward the finish of the exchanging time frame. This instructional exercise will clarify the real functionalities with SAP FI module. SAP FI comprised of submodules. Frequently utilized submodules are accounts receivables, accounts payables, resource bookkeeping, general record accounting and bank accounting. This preparing program is appropriate for individuals who originate from the money-related field. Toward the finish of the SAP FICO training, you will learn the accompanying abilities. Very much aware of all the practical modules of ERP and SAP. Comfortable with the root and different highlights of R/3 system. Characterize essential settings for the hierarchical units for back. Work on chart of accounts, retained earnings account and other general ledger points of interest. Characterize represents money conversion standard contrasts. Get ready distinctive sorts of bookkeeping archives. Work on approvals and substitutions for postings. Oversee account payables and records receivables. Comprehend resource bookkeeping, money diary, and shutting of operations. Step-by-step instructions to incorporate FICO module with other ERP modules including FIAM, FISD, FIHR. You will pick up careful learning on viewpoints, for example, financial statements for outside announcing purposes, accounts receivable and accounts payable, R/AP, preparing, and fixed asset accounting AA. Prerequisite. SAP the best ERP in contemporary world. In SAP, you may have three sorts of profession decision. Premise, admin. ABAP, technical. Useful, domain. It's smarter to have capabilities with accounting, back subject, BCom/MBA/MCom/CA/QA, yet even B.Tech hopefuls are additionally getting the chance to fill in as FICO advisor as often as possible. Getting into SAP FICO is a central issue that you need to make sense. Let's discuss about the SAP FICO syllabus in this session. SAP FICO content. SAP FICO is a mix of SAP FI and SAP CO. The SAP FICO full frame recommends SAP FI as SAP Financial Accounting and SAP CO as SAP Controlling. As it were, SAP FICO Significance proposes a coordinated differing module subjected to the monetary bookkeeping and cost controlling of an association. To comprehend this better, we should start with its foundations. SAP ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, is a framework that comprises of various modules. These modules cover specific particular business regions of an association which is entirely in light of SAP. These modules incorporate materials management, product planning, business intelligence, sales, and distribution, human resources, financial accounting, controlling, and a couple of others. It is the motivation behind why proficient SAP advisors subject their aptitude to one or two SAP modules as it were. Thus the SAP specialists pick the affirmation in their particular specialized topics. All things considered, as of now, SAP offers their confirmations in 3 levels, which are Relate Level, Proficient Level, and Ace Level. Module 1. FICO remains for financial accounting and controlling. Money-related accounting utilized for external reporting reason and controlling used for internal reporting purpose. SAP FICO course, Organizational Structure. Characterize a company. Characterize a company code. Allocate company code to company. SAP FICO module, Global Accounting Setting. Graph of records, listing of SAP General Record is outline of record which has name and number of the records. Working graph of records, you should allot a working diagram of record to an organization code. One organization code can have just a single working outline of record doled out. You sort out posting of records in diagram of record by accounts gatherings. Monetary year, fiscal year implies money-related year of an association. In a financial year, you characterize what number of average posting periods and different posting periods are in a fiscal year. Posting period variant, which posting period variation controls which posting periods both ordinary and unique, are open for each organization code. To keep reports from being presented on a wrong posting period, wanted periods can be shut. Record types, document rights separate business exchanges, general ledger, customer invoice, asset posting, customer payment and so forth, and control archive documenting. For each report compose we need to characterize number extents. Number reaches to control the report section in the framework. SAP FICO training, General Ledger. Subledger, a subsidiary record stores of particular exchange to help general record. Compromise account, when you present exchange on auxiliary record, customer account, vendor account and asset account, system consequently post to important general record account. Module 2. SAP Financials Training, set up business partners, customer and vendor. Client, a client is an individual or an association that buy the merchandise and enterprises created by us. Merchant, a seller is an individual or an association that pitch the products and ventures to us delivered by them. Client invoice, customer solicitations are a report utilized for asking for cash from the client, identifying with deal exchanges. Merchant invoice, vendor solicitations are an archive utilized for asking for cash from us by the seller, identifying with buying exchanges. Approaching installment, payment got by clients. Active installment, payment make to merchant. Module 3. SAP Financials Class, Special Program. Programmed Payment Program, Automatic Installment Program is utilized to distinguish due and past due to merchants, process installments, present exchanges on subrecord, overall record, and print check or send installment points of interest to banks. Dunning letter is a requesting letter to clients for late sum. Design Automatic Payment Program. Controlling, SAP CO, Controlling, module has different design steps to take after for finish execution of this module. Each subsegment of the controlling module has its level of design necessities. SAP Controlling module speaks to the organization's stream of cost and income. It is an administration instrument for hierarchical choices. It too is naturally refreshed as occasions happen. SAP CO permits clear reconciliation into R3 SAP Amorphi AA and empowers coordinate booking of figures from the diverse areas. It likewise offers an extensive variety of charging methods for bookkeeping both real and arranged figures. Module 4. Controlling, SAP CO, Cost Center Accounting. Controlling Area, Controlling Zone is the most astounding hierarchical unit in controlling. We can relegate different organization codes to one controlling zone in the event if they are utilizing same operating diagram of record, financial year and standard chain of command. One organization code can be relegated to one controlling region as it were. Standard hierarchy, Standard hierarchy is storehouse of all cost focuses. Cost center. A cost focus is the essential hierarchical obligation part of a controlling zone. A controlling zone is separated into take and a toll focuses, which are sorted out in a standard cost focus progressive system. Essential cost elements. In SAP R/3 wording, cost and income accounts inside an outline of records that are associated with take and a toll bookkeeping are alluded to as components, which are additionally isolated into essential cost components and essential income components. Auxiliary cost elements. Secondary cost components are made in the CO module and are utilized solely inside CO to represent inner cost streams among cost questions inside a controlling territory, for example, cost allotments among cost focuses. Module 5. SAP Controlling Training, Overhead Cost Order, Internal Order. Overhead orders are interior requests utilized either to screen overhead expenses for a constrained period, or overhead brought about by executing an occupation, or for the long-haul checking of particular parts of the overhead. Distribution structure. A portion structure can have at least one settlement assignments. A task demonstrates which costs, primary cost components, are to be settled to which recipient compose, for instance, cost focus, request, etc. Benefit Center Accounting, Profit Center Accounting, ECPCA, gives you a chance to decide benefits and misfortunes by benefit focus utilizing either period bookkeeping or the cost of offers approach. It likewise gives you a chance to dissect settled capital, thus called factual key figures, number of representatives, square meters, etc., by benefit focus. You can run your benefit and misfortune articulation and at times accounting report at the benefit focus level. A benefit focus is an administration-situated authoritative unit utilized for inward controlling purposes. Isolating your organization up into benefit focuses enables you to break down territories of duty and to designate obligation to decentralized units, subsequently regarding them as organizations inside the organization. Along these lines, in the event that you truly need to succeed and advance in your life at that point, takes in SAP FICO from one of our SAP FICO courses that will enable you to eclipse. The SAP FICO Vocation Way will get you to a superior level, your expert life. SAP FICO Certification. Accreditation in SAP FICO has a massive incentive in your vocation where it features your capability and aptitude to the business. To perceive the gifts of money-related proficient both merchant and seller unbiased confirmations are accessible in the market outlined with different angles. If you're going to begin your vacation in the field of SAP FICO as an SAP consultant, at that point all you require is a right certificate. Guarantee to SAP FICO proficient for the sufficient ability. It's smarter to have a mix of right instruction or instructional class with hands-on handy experience. Through SAP affirmations are internationally perceived. Fundamentally, it shows that you have sharpened your aptitudes through thorough investigation and direct involvement in your subject matter. SAP FICO Jobs and Placement. Activities and permanent employment for SAP FICO are in wealth. Contingent upon what ventures are prevailing on your SAP FICO continue, you will get calls in like manner. We will enable you to plan with the SAP FICO inquiries and answers. The SAP FICO pay is ordinarily needy upon encounter. The required number of years of experience, in an occupation posting, is deciphered as capability standard which the business is looking. SAP FICO experts guarantee ventures finish on time and under spending plan. They invest quite a bit of their energy off camera working with their group captain or different groups on the undertaking. They stay up with the latest on the advance of the venture, react to crises or mishaps, and arrange work inside the group. Advisors additionally handle documentation, testing, and end client SAP FICO preparing. Why should you take this training course? These days, associations need to manage bunches of multifaceted nature that emerges in the business procedure. It has upgraded the need for programming that can help them in directing their businesses easily and rapidly. To work with this product, it is critical for a person to Comprehend the working rule behind SAP budgetary bookkeeping. Know how the back module coordinates with various SAP modules. Ace the key ideas of SAP financial accounting. See the significance of the general ledger and find out about its highlights. Learn few center ideas of SAP FICO module like subledgers, accounts receivable, payable, asset accounting. Another favorable position of the SAP FICO module is that it can be effortlessly incorporated with deals, dispersion, and materials administration, etc. Trying experts searching for a career move to SAP are interested in the part of SAP FICO functional consultant. Also, a large number of them, even with the adequate functional experience despite everything, they have the desire to comprehend their part after SAP preparing and career move to SAP.